Hey guys, OPPO Malaysia finally launched the OPPO A95 last week. Here, we got the phone in the studio and check out the back cover. Don't you think it is pretty? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The device comes with OPPO Glowing design and there are two colors to choose from, Rainbow Silver and Starry Black. What's in the box? There is an OPPO A95, USB Type-C cable, charging adapter, SIM tool, manual guide, and a silicone phone case. You can get a different visual experience whenever the phone is under different lighting. Although it looks glossy, no worries because the fingerprint stains are not that obvious. The phone sports a 6.43-inch punch-hole Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate. Besides that, it comes with a Snapdragon 662 chipset, 128GB of internal storage, 8GB of RAM, and up to 5GB of RAM expansion. As for the cameras, it features a 16MP selfie snapper and an AI triple rear camera with 48MP main camera, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Of course, there are plenty of camera features that you can get from this device, such as AI scene enhancements and AI beautification 2.0. Check out our photo samples here. In addition, this device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W flash charge. According to OPPO, it can be charged up to 54% in 30 minutes. You can also save battery by switching on the super power saving mode or super nighttime standby. For me, a big battery like this can last for a day and I can just leave the power bank behind. As for the price, it is available for 1099 ringgit, and for me, it is quite affordable and reasonable with the RAM expansion technology, big battery, and nice back cover. But what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and I will see you next time. Ciao!